This is Paul Fraley. This is the legal records for posterity. I call this video Synopsis. Basically, this is the whole story in a nutshell, a condensed version. Let's see, where does it start? I do recall them declaring me mentally ill. That was true. But they misdiagnosed it as schizophrenia when in fact what it was dissociative disorder. They don't want this to be known. My sister doesn't want it to be known. She wants to hide it. My sister is the reason why I got into a car wreck. She wouldn't let me go back to bed, go to sleep. She insisted I get up and stand and do something, go somewhere for her, and I ended up getting into a car wreck. She claims she doesn't remember anything about it. I'm talking nonsense, which is crap. She just fess up to the fact that she's guilty of getting me injured. So I'll skip past that and go into detail about the legal problems I got involved in with my family. What they ended up doing was they ended up going to a lawyer claiming I was saying things I didn't say and taking it out of context somehow, claiming I was talking about some clone. I used it as an expression once, and they took that to the court, and proof that I was crazy. I was talking about a guy who looked like me, not a clone. The clone's me scientifically produced in the laboratory, which is bullshit. I was talking about somebody who looked like me, who broke into the house, because Mom keeps refusing to lock the doors, and he stole my military ID off the coffee table in the living room. I remember seeing him at the ball diamond after that. I'm not sure why, it's so long ago. I can't remember the reasons why now, but I thought that he was the one that broke into the house and stole my military ID. That's what I was talking to Mom about. And she wanted to use that as proof that I was mentally ill or something. Also, she claimed in court, in the hospital, they used it as a courtroom, that I threatened to kill her and some judge. I didn't know what she was talking about. She made that up. She's lying. What happened was my niece assaulted me. And I yelled at her, and that's why she got mad at me and got a hold of an attorney. I think the next day, that following day, I'm not sure. It's so long ago I can't remember the details. But anyway, I was dragged into that room with an attorney present because I had to have representation, which he wasn't really caring if he represented me or not, because he didn't want to hear my story. And I had to put up their crap in court, not say a word about it, or I'd be out on the street, nowhere to live. So I just didn't contest any of it. What happened was, my mother, Zona Friendly Brenner, Franny's name she had before, she was married to George Brenner, claimed that I tried to kill her. And I was crazy, and he's yelling at me in court because she's mentally ill. She is prone to do that, Anyway, what happened was she, along with her daughter, Rita, I'm just telling you this for the legal record, from my point of view, they perjured themselves in court because lying under oath is perjury. And they were under oath. And they perjured themselves in making false statements while under oath in a court of law, claiming I tried to kill her, I wanted to kill a judge. Crazy things, say crazy things like that. Like, he threatened to kill me. I didn't touch her. I didn't threaten to kill her. I was sitting there in that recliner chair, and Jennifer Garrett ran up to me, started slapping me and hitting me in the face, her fists and hands. I got mad and yelled at her, and then she got mad, and Zoe got mad at me and decided to go to a judge, to get a lawyer. And she lied to the lawyer, and therefore the lie was told again in a court of law, which is perjury. And I think I'm going to have to try to prove my case in court of law at some point in time, because I'm not sure Rita was there or not, but I'm pretty sure she gave testimony, and they all perjured themselves. They made up lies about me, and it was under oath in a court of law. That's what they're going to get sued for. Primarily. Also going to have to dissolve her guardianship, power of attorney, and conservatorship by having a competency hearing. How that's going to be handled in one court hearing, one lawsuit, I don't know. I have to ask an attorney. But this is filed away for future reference. I'm making a legal record of it. And I'm just simply going to call this is in a nutshell. This is a synopsis. And that's all I have to say about this matter at this point in time. That's what I would say. So I bid you good day.